Hi guys, this is Jamie with Usborne Books and More, and I am here to share with you some of our fabulous fiction, because fiction's my thing, and I want to share it with you. So to start off with, we've got Muddle and Match. This is geared for kind of your early kindergartners, and this is so much fun. They can create almost 500 animals or something like that. It's crazy because the tabs switch, and here we've got like a monkey giraffe bird thing. And what's really awesome about these, and what really gets my attention, is if you can manage to convince your child to build the animal correctly. For instance, monkey starts with M. Every word on that page, or nearly every word, is going to start with the M sound. So it's really, really great for introducing your beginning letter sounds. So phenomenal and so much fun. We have quite a few of these. We also have some fantastic beginning readers. These are our phonics readers, and I picked these two in particular because they are illustrated by Stephen Cartwright. And what's really fun about those, and these are great for a good bridge for very, very, very young readers before they're actually reading the words, is they can find a little duck. There's a little duck hidden on every page to find. So much fun. These ones particularly are going to focus on the IG sound, and then Fox on a Box will focus on the Ox sound. They won't exclusively be written with those, but they're really going to emphasize those. So lots and lots of fun. We have some phenomenal illustrated fairy tales. This one in particular is Cinderella. There are others, so don't just get your heart set on Cinderella, and they are just gorgeous illustrations. Absolutely beautiful. And what's really awesome about these that totally grabbed my attention and made me fall in love with them is at the very, very end, there is a blurb that is the history on that fairy tale, a little bit of background, and which particular version the fairy tale you just read was inspired by. So cool and beautiful stories. Here's the one that stole my heart, and I definitely got it for Christmas for me, not my kid. It is Illustrated Stories from Shakespeare. I can't believe I had never read Twelfth Night before, or even seen it. It was crazy. But these are awesome because they have beautiful illustrations to really get the children's attention. And then at the beginning of every play is kind of a background and illustrations on the particular people and characters. And it really helps my son build a knowledge and a recognition of the particular characters, because there's a lot of names and stuff. It is an abridged, shortened version, and it takes about 15 to 20 minutes to read each play. So fun, so cool. Great way to introduce your child to Shakespeare. And it's also, we have a ton of different illustrated stories, so there are a bunch to choose from, and it does come with a ribbon bookmark. Penny Dreadful is hysterical. I love Penny Dreadful. She's geared more for 8 and up, and it genuinely feels like you're talking to an 8-year-old who just prattles on endlessly, or like me. So if you check it out, we're going to look really close, and I'm going to let it focus. Right here, you're going to see that some of the words are in bold letters. So Penny Dreadful is a combined volume, so there's 3 different books combined into this one volume. Each volume is going to focus on several different words that are emboldened, and every time it shows up in there, every time that word is used in context, it's going to be in bold letters. So cool. We've got several Penny Dreadfuls, and 2 more just came out. I can't wait to read them. We also have these awesome, very early chapter storybooks. We got Billy B. Brown and Hey Jack. They are very good friends. And what I love about these is they are super simple to read, and there's no hyphenated words in there. So it's going to be great for your young readers who are getting ready to transition or in the process of transitioning into chapter books. And I just love these. The stories are really cute. They're meaningful. They have a good moral to the story, and something for the children. You can have great conversations with your children on these. So we've got Hey Jack and Billy B. Brown, and Billy shows up in Jack's books, and Jack shows up in Billy's books. So they're not very gender specific. Typically the Jacks go to the boys, but you know, do your thing. They're great. My son enjoyed both of them, and he was super excited to read Billy after having read Jack. So okay, this one, I can't tell you for sure whether it lands as fiction or whether it lands as fact, because it's all about fictional characters. Everybody knows that dragons aren't for real, but it's so cool. It talks about the different fictional characters that we have. And so we've got a whole bunch of dragons here, and it's got these enormous fold-outs. Okay, that's only half of it. I can't fit it all on the screen. So super, super cool. My son mentioned Medusa, who I feel like most of the time, because my hair's pretty crazy, and just really, really neat with the fold outs. And just, it's super cool, and it's a great way to address the different fictional characters that we have, or the different fictional monsters. This is our Big Book of Monsters, and we just came out with Big Book of the Body, which is so exciting. And so yeah, lots and lots of the big books of big stuff. Super cool. Thank you so much for checking out our fantastic fiction.